how to fix Outlook issues. You get the call and user is stating that my Outlook is working very slow, it's keep hanging. Whenever I'm sending email, it's getting stuck. I'm unable to send email and I'm unable to send or receive any email. So to fix this problem, you have to click on File, go to account setting. You can go to data files or open file location. Now you need to do one thing, is you have to close this window. All right, now you have to rename this folder. Okay, complete folder, or you can just rename this particular OST file, because there is issue, the file is corrupted. This OST means offline storage file. This is corrupted. That's what Outlook is not working properly. So two things you can try. One is you can rename this folder, like, let me do that, old. All right, close this window and open the Outlook again. Once you open the Outlook again, it will retrieve the data from the Microsoft Office, from the Exchange server again, and it will create a new file for the user, and it will download the all data again in OST file, the offline storage file, and the issue will be resolved. Let's go to that folder which we went earlier, data files. Now you see that file is still there, which we have made .old file. Now this is another file which is now creating. All right, and you will see it will keep increasing till 97 MB. Right, so all the data which is saved on the server, that will download again, and the problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue. If user is complaining, my Outlook is working slow, it's keep hanging, it's getting stuck while sending emails. So these all problem will be fixed when you rename this folder, and the Outlook will download the all files from the server again, and it should be fine. Let's see you in next video. Thank you.